Hey there, fellow gardeners. Today, we're diving into the world of gardening, specifically focusing on growing yellow peppers in a pot. This is a great project for those who love to spice up their meals and enjoy the taste of fresh produce. First things first, let's choose the right type of pepper. For yellow peppers, I recommend you start with either golden Anaheim or yellow cayenne pepper plants. These are both easy to grow and produce a good yield. You can find these seedlings at your local garden center or order them online from reputable sellers. Next, you'll need to prep your pot. Choose a well-draining container with appropriate size for your plant. Fill it with high-quality potting soil specifically designed for peppers or other potted plants. Now, it's time to plant. Create a small hole in the center of your pot and gently place the pepper seedling inside it. Gently press the soil around the stem to hold it in place while ensuring it doesn't touch the roots. Water your plant carefully, making sure not to overwater or drown it. Place your pepper plant in an area where it can get plenty of sunlight, at least 6 hours per day. Is ideal, and keep an eye on it for any signs of pests or diseases. Finally, be patient and nurture your plant as it grows over time. Yellow peppers take about 90 days from seedling to full maturity, so be prepared for some wait time before you can enjoy your homegrown produce. Thanks for tuning in today. Remember to share this video with any fellow gardeners or aspiring green thumbs you know. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy growing!